Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello, gardeners. In this video, I will explain how to grow green roses, a truly unique addition to any garden. First, let's talk about their basic needs. These fascinating plants absolutely love the sun, requiring a minimum of 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day to flourish. They also prefer well-draining soil with a slightly acidic pH, ideally between 6.0 and 6.5. Consistent moisture is key, but be careful not to overwater, as good drainage is essential to prevent root issues. Also, ensure your planting spot has excellent air circulation. Now, let's get those green roses planted and thriving. When you're ready to plant, dig a hole that is twice as wide as the root ball and just as deep. If your soil is heavy clay, it's a good idea to amend it with plenty of organic matter to improve drainage. After planting, water deeply 2 to 3 times a week, especially during dry spells, to ensure the roots get enough moisture. For ongoing nourishment, apply a balanced granular fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks to support healthy growth and vibrant foliage. Proper pruning and pest management are vital for healthy green roses. You should prune your green roses in late winter or early spring, just before new growth begins, to help shape the plant and remove any unwanted parts. Always remove dead, damaged, or crossing branches to encourage better airflow and new, vigorous growth. Keep a close eye on your plants for common pests such as aphids and spider mites. For an organic approach to pest control, insecticidal soap or neem oil can be very effective in keeping these nuisances at bay. Finally, let's talk about enjoying the unique beauty of your green roses. What makes them so special is their lack of traditional petals. Instead, their blooms are actually made up of sepals, giving them a fascinating, almost otherworldly appearance. This unusual characteristic adds a distinctive texture and a touch of the unexpected to any garden or floral arrangement. Harvest the blooms when they are fully open for long-lasting displays. These plants are truly conversation starters, offering a subtle yet captivating beauty that you'll cherish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.